Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Forza Horizon 5 problem sign in needed error on your PS5. So first, what you will have to do is to sign out of your PS account, and then once you're done signing out of your PS account, go ahead and install the MS Authenticator app on your PS5. So here, when you're done installing this app on your PS5, log in on this Microsoft Authenticator, of course, using your MS account, and then change your password. So, this is the very important part. Change the password of your Microsoft account using the MS Authenticator app. Once you're done, sign in again with your PS account and then launch Forza Horizon 5. It will ask you to sign in again, and then of course sign in with your Microsoft account, and then it will run smoothly. So basically that's it. That's the fix.